Your car is more than just a mode of transportation. It's an investment that deserves the best care. Dents, faded paint, and misaligned wheels can ruin its beauty and performance. Let's talk about three essential services that can keep your ride looking pristine and running smoothly. First, dent repair. Dents happen, whether from parking lot mishaps or hailstorms. Paintless dent repair is a fantastic option, restoring your car's surface without disturbing the original paint. For more severe damage, traditional methods can bring it back to life. Next, consider a body spray. If your car has scratches or rust, a quality body spray can revive its shine. The process involves careful surface preparation, precision spraying, and a durable clear coat to ensure a finish that looks brand new. Finally, wheel alignment is crucial. If your car pulls to one side or your steering wheel vibrates, it's time for an alignment. Proper alignment not only extends tire life, but also improves fuel efficiency and enhances safety on the road. For all these services, Car Services Ltd.com has you covered. Their certified technicians use state-of-the-art tools and premium materials to keep your car in top condition. Visit their website, get an instant quote, and book your appointment today. Your car deserves it.